Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Stainless steel became more commonplace in the 1950s, but braces still wrapped all the way around teeth until the 1970s. Since then, there have been even more innovations in the orthodontic field, including lingual braces which go on the inside of teeth, and Invisalign treatments.
Take our lead.
Staff, equipment and other expenses are behind the prices of every dental procedure. Most orthodontists have one price for braces which covers everything including work, materials and appointments. However, sometimes additional fees can apply for the first visit, X-rays, replacement materials and more.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
But the reason I got braces, like so many American children, was because my smile wasn't perfect. And I wasn't alone. According to the American Association of Orthodontics, AO, around 4 million Americans are wearing braces today. That number roughly doubled in the US between 1982 and 2008.
Take our lead.
Pierre Fauchard. 18th-century orthodontics truly began developing in the 18th and 19th centuries. In 1728, French dentist Pierre Fauchard, who is often credited with inventing modern orthodontics, published a book entitled The Surgeon Dentist, on methods of straightening teeth.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
The need for headgear in orthodontics and its application by practitioners has somewhat decreased in recent years as some orthodontists use temporary implants, i.e., temporary anchorage devices, inside the patient's mouth to perform the same tooth movements. However, the headgear is still widely used and very effective.
Take our lead.
Braces existed, but they were very expensive and most people, especially during the war when resources were scarce, didn't have the money for them. It would have been rare to see your average high school wear braces. They were usually reserved for children, teenagers, young adults of the upper class.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
As a general rule, your total time in braces will be between 18 and 24 months. In that time, you can start to actually notice the changes in your teeth's appearance as early as 4 weeks from being fitted. But 2 or 3 months is the average expectation.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.